Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to Wi-Fi at JFK Airport. First, open your device's Wi-Fi settings and look for the free JFK Wi-Fi network in the list of available options. Once you select it, a browser window should automatically open to the Wi-Fi portal. If it doesn't, simply open your web browser manually. Follow the on-screen instructions to accept the terms and conditions, and you'll be connected to the free service in no time. It's a straightforward process to get online quickly. JFK Airport offers both free and premium Wi-Fi options to suit your needs. You'll find free, unlimited Wi-Fi available throughout all terminals, which is great for staying connected during your travels. While the free service is generally reliable, for those needing a faster, more secure, or consistently stable connection, premium Boingo plans are available. These paid options can provide an enhanced online experience, especially during peak travel times when the free network might be crowded. Sometimes, connecting to public Wi-Fi can be a bit tricky, but don't worry, we have some troubleshooting tips. First, ensure your device's Wi-Fi is on and airplane mode is off. If issues persist, try forgetting the network in your settings and reconnecting. A quick restart of your device often resolves common problems. If all else fails, moving to a slightly different area within the terminal might help you find a stronger signal. These simple steps can get you connected quickly. When using public Wi-Fi, especially at an airport, security is paramount. We highly recommend using a virtual private network, or VPN, to encrypt your data and protect your personal information from potential threats. Avoid accessing sensitive accounts like banking or personal emails without a secure VPN connection. And speaking of things that make life better, remember that life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep your ride fresh. Check the description below for a link to that, plus other great deals and resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.